Cambodia forecast to experience widespread rain, thunderstorms, and gusty winds through August 5. Cambodia is expected to experience widespread rain, thunderstorms, and gusty winds across much of the country from August 3 to 5, as Tropical Storm Dolphin T263 continues to strengthen the southwest monsoon over the region, according to the Ministry of Water Resources and Meteorology. The ministry said that although Tropical Storm Dolphin is influencing weather systems over the Bay of Bengal, Andaman Sea, South China Sea, Mekong Basin, Gulf of Thailand, and Cambodia, the kingdom is not located along the storm's projected path. Nevertheless, the storm's indirect influence is expected to intensify monsoon conditions, bringing unsettled weather to Cambodia's plains, plateau, and coastal regions over the 3-day forecast period. In the plains region, including Bante Minchi, Battambang, Pursat, Kampong Chnang, Siem Reap, Kampong Thom, Kampong Cham, Tabong Khmom, Prey Veng, Svai Rieng, Takeo, Kandal, and Phnom Penh, rainfall accompanied by thunderstorms and gusty winds is forecast to affect around 50% of the area. The plateau region, comprising Kampong Speu, Pilant, Otter Manchi, Prea Vihir Krati Stongtreng, Ratanakiri, Mondulkiri, the Dangrek mountain range, and the Cardamom Mountains, is expected to receive scattered showers covering approximately 30% of the area, with isolated thunderstorms and strong winds. Meanwhile, the coastal provinces of Koh Kong, Prea Sihanouk, Kampot, Kep, and the Bokor mountain area are forecast to experience rainfall across about 40% of the region, accompanied by thunderstorms and gusty winds. Sea wave heights are expected to range between 0.5 and 1.75 meters. The Ministry of Water Resources and Meteorology has urged residents, particularly those in areas prone to flooding or exposed to strong winds, to remain alert during periods of heavy rain and thunderstorms and to closely follow official weather advisories.